is Liz. Welcome to Fabric Friday. This is only a smallish haul, but it's the very last one for 2022. So I'll go through it in order. Well, not in order, but this is a lovely Moroccan print. I've had 2 meters of that, so definitely make a top out of it. A couple of tops actually. This is some lovely dragon and roosters print. It's like Chinese type style, and I've got 3 meters of that, but it's only 36 inches wide, so I might make trousers out of it, waistcoat, but I liked it, so I bought it. And this was the most expensive. It's only 36 inches wide, as I said, but it's just over £5 a metre, so that is fairly expensive, and it frays like a good one. This is quilting cotton. It's a sparkly green that I could possibly use in anything I'm making for Christmas, or anything else for that matter, but I've done with me makes for Christmas, so that'll be for next year. And these little flowery ones, one in sort of a minty green, sorry about Mason barking, growling, and one in a blue. So I thought they'll go nice in a quilt. I've used up all of my polycotton that I use as for backings or backgrounds, so I bought some more because it's cheap and it's 94 inches wide. So I bought 3 meters of that. This is a lining fabric, so I'm thinking of possibly making a jacket. Possible, but it was 80p a metre, so I couldn't turn it down for that price. So that's for a jacket. And this looks like an awful lot of fabric, and it is, because there's 3 meters of it, and I think it's your normal 42 inch wide. Let's have a look. What does it say? Oh, it doesn't say on here, but I'm not opening it up now. But it's vintage coins, and it's what they call a coating fabric, so it's thicker. There's no stretch in it, so I can make a jacket or a coat. Well, I don't think I'll have enough fabric for a coat, but I can make a jacket and line it with that. So I've got options, and so that's my small little haul, the last one of 2022.